Go down, need it up, need it up, down, go 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 down.
Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Kristen and I just got off work and I am about to cook dinner tonight. So we are actually going to be doing a cook with me video, and tonight we are doing Cajun chicken with shrimp Alfredo. So I'm really looking forward to doing this meal because I have been thinking about it for the last couple of days. I'm so hungry right now and I really wanted to share this meal with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It definitely should be one of my best cook with me's yet. It's definitely gonna be a tasty meal, hopefully, if I don't mess nothing up. So welcome to the video. Comment below if you've ever made Alfredo at home by yourself. I'm kind of cheating a little bit today, so this is like a really easy recipe. I didn't find the hard cheese that I usually shred to put in this as well, so this is actually gonna be like my simple version today, but either way it's gonna taste good nonetheless. So I guess with no further ado, let's get into the meal. And I was also gonna show y'all my outfit today because I thought I was looking cute, so let me just show you. I just wore a regular shirt, and this actually I did a get ready with me, and then it was like a get ready for work with me video, and I had this outfit on, so I wanted to kind of show you guys my outfit for the day because it's going to be very similar. You will recognize this when you see that video. But anyway, this shirt is from Express, and I've actually been tying my dress shirts in the front, and I feel like it looks really cute for our work environment because, as I've told you guys a million times before, we get to dress casual, but I still want to look put together. So I wore this shirt, and then I have this little belt here that I got. It's Calvin Klein, and I picked this up from TJ Maxx because I'm kind of cheap and I love to shop at TJ Maxx and get everything for the low. And then I'm wearing some jeans, and these are from Monoteeks because I love my Monoteeks jeans. I told y'all, if you haven't watched my Monoteeks haul, definitely go check it out. But I mentioned in that haul that I rock Monoteeks like every single day. And then I have on my little black Vans, which are totally beat up, but I love these shoes. They're so comfortable, and I think because I've beat them up, they are my most favorite shoes. My feet never hurt, y'all. They're popping. They're comfortable, and I can like walk around and go to my meetings, and you know, I don't have to worry about nothing. So it's time to probably order some more, but either way, I love them. This is my outfit of the day, OOTD, and I think it looks kind of cute. What y'all think?
How would you like it if I do the things you do?
Okay, so real quick, I'm gonna run down our ingredients. I got a little bit of minced garlic, and I'm going to use that to saute the shrimp. I also have my butter, shrimp, chicken, black pepper. We have some heavy whipping cream, and you're gonna need this to make your Alfredo sauce. Got a little bit of Parmesan, which I'm also gonna add to the Alfredo sauce. I'm gonna add some shredded 3-cheese blend, and this actually has the Romano cheese that I wanted to get. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of this in there because I couldn't find the Romano at Kroger. And then we're gonna be doing fettuccine noodles, paprika, red pepper, and then I'm gonna be doing mine Cajun, and then adding a little bit of cayenne red pepper to make it a little more spicy. So let's go ahead and get the water boiling and saute the shrimp.
What you want, do not disturb and entertain it, do what? How would you like it if I do the things you do? What you want?
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and saute the garlic. So I'm putting some butter in the skillet. So we're gonna go ahead and get that going. Hopefully it melts really quickly. And I love fresh garlic, you guys. So this is my favorite thing to saute on the stove because it just smells so delicious. So I ran out of daylight, so we have to put the little ring light up. So if you guys notice there's artificial light going on, that is why. A couple things I did want to tell you guys about while my water is back there trying to boil, and then I'm heating up my little butter. So this is gonna be my last cheat meal for a while. I'm actually about to start what they call, I think, the South Beach diet, where I'm just gonna be eating protein, lean protein, and a lot of vegetables. I'm gonna really be cutting back on my potatoes and all that type of stuff, starches, no corn. We're gonna be like going all the way hard because I just bought one of those bikes you guys have probably seen everywhere. If you've been watching YouTube, or at least for me, maybe they know I've been looking on their website, so now they're sending me every single commercial. But I ended up buying one of those Peloton bikes, so I'm really excited because I hear they're kind of like a cult. Like, people who get the bike love it, and for the price you better love it. So I'm about to take my workout plan serious, and oops, it sounds like my butter is ready. But I'm about to take my little workout plan serious, and I'm like really looking forward to it. I've been obsessed about this bike now for over like the last 2 weeks, so I'm just really excited. Supposed to be delivered this week on Thursday, and you guys, I can't wait. So I'll be definitely doing like not an unboxing because they're gonna be unpackaging it and setting it up for me, but I'm definitely gonna be like telling you guys all about it and giving you like my full review. And if it helps me lose this weight, because I got about 20 pounds I want to lose, so we will see. But that is why today is gonna be like my last cheat meal, and then the meals you guys see moving forward will be a little bit healthier in nature. Okay, you guys, this smells so good. Oh my goodness. And then I have my shrimp all ready to go. I've already seasoned it, so it just looks delicious. I washed it, seasoned it, so I'm gonna go ahead and add it to my butter, and we're gonna saute this for a few minutes. That looks delicious. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to eat this. I'm gonna try to lay them out flat so they can cook on one side, and then we'll flip them over. I think I need a little bit more butter. Maybe I just like butter. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little more butter. Ooh, that looks so good. Oh y'all, I can't wait to eat. I'm so hungry. Okay, so if you're not new to the cooking with me videos, you're familiar with Plonk. But if you're new, this is Plonk. It's from a little winery here in Fort Wayne called 2 E's. And oh my God, you guys, I always talk about it because I'm not a red drinker, but this is one red that I drink. And I've kind of given up regular alcohol for the most part. We're gonna just put that little caveat in there. But I do drink this typically with pasta, and I try to limit myself to 1 glass, but it's tasty. I just love the taste, the fragrance, everything about it. So if you're local, you can get this. If you're not local, I don't believe they ship, but you know, it's worth a try. They do carry it at our Kroger's, so if you're here in the Fort Wayne area, check it out. I promote this wine, and I'm not paid to promote it, but I promote it because I love it, and it's just really that delicious. And then matter of fact, I'm looking at my nails in this little video. Y'all, my nails are cute. I just got my nails done a little bit ago, like earlier today before I came home, and I love them. Is it focusing? Come on, focus. Y'all see them, they look so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love my nails. Love them. What do you guys think? It's still blurry. Hold on, let's see if we can do like this. There we go. There the nails are. They're gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love this little fall color. Beautiful. What do y'all think about my color? I think it's beautiful. Comment below if you think it's beautiful too. Shrimp is done. I kind of like everything I make to be crispy. I've told you guys this before though, but I think they look really good. I'm trying to make sure they're crispy on both sides. It's gonna be perfect because even if they were over crispy, like a little bit too crispy, once you put them in that sauce, it's gonna be perfect. Like, oh my God, this smells so, I wish I could like let you guys smell the fragrance. One day we're gonna get there, but not today. But when you make this for yourself, because this is a really fast meal, you're gonna see for yourself, this is bomb. That garlic with this shrimp and the Cajun seasoning is just, man, you can't even compare this to anything. It's fire. So I'm not really gonna clean this out, but I am going to add some olive oil and cook the chicken. So we're just gonna add a little bit of olive oil. And I've already seasoned the chicken and washed it. So we're gonna add this to the pot and go ahead and cook this because our noodles are almost done. We've only got about 30 seconds left on our noodles. Typically what I do is I cook my chicken and then I add the whipping cream and my cheese to the chicken because you've already seasoned it and it kind of seasons the broth. But today, because we're short on time and I'm really hungry, I'm going to take the pan that I cooked my noodles in, and we're gonna add the heavy whipping cream to that so that we can be multitasking. And then I'm going to season it. So we're gonna take some black pepper, and I only have one hand, so I'm gonna season the black pepper and then I'm gonna show you the rest of the seasoning. Okay, so I've added the black pepper, and then we're going to add a little bit more of the blackened Zatarain's seasoning. Ooh, this is about to be good, y'all. Oh, fire! Okay. So we're gonna add some red pepper because I want it spicy. Not a lot, just enough. You don't want it to be too spicy where all you taste is spice. We're also gonna put some of the cayenne red pepper, and this is what's really gonna give it the kick. It's about to be so delicious, you guys. And then I want to get it boiling so it can thicken up a little bit. It's gonna be so delicious. And then I'm also gonna add that shredded cheese I told you guys about earlier. We're gonna also add some Parmesan cheese. This is finely shredded cheese, because I want it to be really, really cheesy and delicious. I'm just doing like half a bag of this, half a bag. And then you basically just stir it and just let it bubble. It's gonna start bubbling here in a second and thicken up. So the chicken is almost done, you guys, and it's looking absolutely delicious. And then I just added the noodles, so we're gonna like get this sauce in here so they can start to separate and loosen up a little bit. I actually cooked this with extra sauce, so there's gonna be a little bit more sauce than normal, but I like my stuff saucy, so that's just kind of how I do it. And when you add that sauce, the noodles just like loosen right up and they just look so good. And it smells so good too, you guys. Like, I cannot reiterate enough how delicious this meal smells. It smells absolutely fabulous. Yummy. This is it. This is the Cajun Chicken and Shrimp Alfredo, and if this don't look like Olive Garden, I don't know what to tell you. We got Amana in the building.
Oh, what's up?
Amana is new to the channel. This is Brian's daughter, so y'all show Amana some love. You so silly. So I guess it's the moment of truth. Oh, I need some silverware. Okay, you guys, so I guess this is the moment of truth. So my battery's about to die, so I'm gonna have to charge it for a second, but we're gonna go ahead and try this. I wish you guys could see my plate while I try it. Wait, let me see if I can tilt it the right way. Amana says it's tasting pretty good. She says she's not a huge shrimp person, but the shrimp is hitting it. I'm gonna find out what the chef thinks, you know. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty all right. Yeah, it's not as spicy as I was hoping, because I love spicy, but I put a lot of sauce in there this time. Amana, this is spicy.
No, it's not.
It got a little kickback. It's not super spicy, but it got a little kickback. You guys, that shrimp is fire. That is fire. Oh my God. This is really good. So go check out Olive Garden. I'm gonna actually get the link for Olive Garden's recipe. They add the cheese, I think it's Romano to this. And I do think that makes a little bit of a difference, but this is delicious, you guys. So I'm actually gonna charge my camera really quick and smash, and I'll be right back with y'all. And I'm back, and the meal was absolutely delicious. I'm gonna find a recipe because I've been doing this recipe for so long. I don't actually look at one, but I will put one in the description box so that you can recite the recipe, follow it, and make sure you get yours right, because I've been eyeballing this particular one for a couple of years, and it's definitely one of my favorites. Probably not one of the most healthier things you can eat. So like I said, this is for sure gonna be a cheat meal for me as I get into my healthier lifestyle, because it's gonna be really important for me to just do it. I've told you guys before, I've had bad you know, test results when it comes to my blood work and how healthy I am, and I just need to do better. So we're gonna go ahead and do better. We're gonna lose this weight. We're going to get the cardio going, eat better, eat right, and just, you know, try to live a healthier lifestyle. And this Alfredo pasta is definitely not in that category. So if you end up trying this recipe, definitely come back and let me know. Comment below in the comment section if you do. And like I said, it's so easy. It takes you about 30 minutes. You're gonna love it. Your family's gonna love it. Your kids gonna love it. Unless you make it too spicy, then your kids might not love it, but it's really tasty. So for sure, try it out and let me know what you guys think. But with that, I will see you in my next upload. Y'all know I love you. I appreciate you guys too much. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and become a K-star so you never miss one of my videos in the future. But with that, I'll see you guys next time. I love you as always, and have a great rest of your evening. Bye-bye.